Yay. Yay. Yeah.
What's wrong?
Finally, the tension has risen because it is a plastic model of the girl character that I have been waiting for.
Foo, vulgar person.
No entrustment required, please be quickly started to introduce.
Okay, let's assemble immediately. The contents of the box look like this.
There are a lot of parts.
If it s a gunpla, it s about the same as a large MG.
Oh, I see.
First, make the head. This is the part used. Use nippers to cut and assemble cleanly. Complete.
It's very cute.
Facial expressions are 3 types. Since decals are also included, turn off the face with a thinner. It can also be made with your favorite decal.
Good.
Next, make an arm. Collect the parts to use. Cut it clean.
It's a small part.
Be careful not to lose it. The arm is completed.
Hands are also cute.
Do not be satisfied by hand. I will assemble more and more. Next is the body part. Cut it clean and assemble it. The body part is completed. Let's attach arms and head.
I love you, to say the least.
Don't panic, baby bird. I'll complete the whole body right away.
I feel like I can fly in the sky. Make it fast, dog.
I know. Next we will assemble the legs.
Beautiful legs.
Next, make the waist part. After separating and assembling, the lower half of the body is completed by combining with both legs made earlier.
Can't you see her underwear?
Calm down, it's more like a leotard than underwear. It's a good-looking costume for combat.
Pure white.
Whatever. The body is completed by combining it with the upper body.
This is great, I can't help but be impressed.
I will explain this plastic model now. This is the girl, KANAGATA SUGUMI, that appears in Japanese games.
It's a game character.
She's a college student and a girl who likes to make plastic models. If there was such a girl, she would fall in love.
I want you to create a machine that will enter the game world as soon as possible.
I don't think we'll be liked by her when we meet her.
It's a dog without dreams.
Let's be happy that we can look at her made of plastic models as much as we want.
It's right. If you are a plastic model, you can touch as much as you like.
Foo. That's right. However, if you touch it too much, your joints will become weak, so be careful. Various hand parts are attached and each joint is movable so you can enjoy various poses. A pedestal is also included.
It's wonderful. Is this plastic model all completed? There are still parts that have not been assembled yet.
You noticed a good point. This plastic model is not half completed yet.
Half?
She is a warrior who fights against unidentified enemies that attack the Earth. She is armed for that. Collectively assemble.
Amazing? It's like Gundam.
It's a work in which Gundam designers participate. The sword is stored in a shield and can be taken out.
Really, it brackets, it is good.
Weapons also have beam rifles. Since she is a modeler, she is a rifle designed to imitate an airbrush for painting.
It's a good design.
There are also special move effect parts.
It's a great volume. How much is this plastic model?
It's about $100.
Seriously, it's about the same as our monthly food expenses.
That's right. So this month I'm gonna look at this plastic model and cheat on my hunger. Do you have any complaints? Or say part with her?
Don't get me wrong. I can't let her go for $100.
Bird.
Let's endure hunger together. Let's lick her when she's hungry.
My soul will be next to you forever.
A dog that says exaggeration.
This is the end of this plastic model introduction. It's very cute and cool, so if you're interested and can afford it, I recommend buying it.
It may be difficult to obtain due to its popularity and shortage, but it is recommended to buy it from a regular store instead of buying it from an illegal buyer at a high price because the manufacturer will reproduce it regularly.
Trying to check frequently to the site of the manufacturer, Kotobukiya.
Thank you for watching till the end.
Let's meet again. Bye bye.
Bye bye.